Do you want to try my delicious peanut punch? Stay tuned and see how I make it. Hello everyone. Welcome back. So I'm about to make some nice creamy peanut punch. Right now I'm adding some ice cubes to my blender. I love adding the ice now. You could wait until you finish making your peanut punch and drink it on ice. So I'm doing it this way so I don't have to deal with the ice at the end. It's up to you. So I'm putting in the ice. And then once I get all that ice in there, I'm going to add in my milk. I use 2 cups of milk. You could use any type of milk you want. I don't use evaporated milk anymore. So I realize that evaporated milk have a lot of additives and I'm trying to reduce some of the things that I'm eating with additives and stuff. So I use my regular 2% milk that I have in my refrigerator. You could use whole milk, you could use whatever milk you want to use, or evaporated if you are okay with that. I'm also putting in some condensed milk. I use like half of the can. And now I'm putting in some organic peanut butter. You could use any type of peanut butter you want. This is a creamy one that I'm using. They also have like the crunchy one. I like the crunchy one, but I didn't get it this time because, as I said, I scanned one of the crunchy ones at the store and it wasn't what I wanted, too many additives, so I decided to get that organic one. And this is some rum extract. I'm going to put in like a half a teaspoon of that. That's for flavor, it's not rum. And then I'm putting in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm also going to put in some mixed essence. So all of these are going to flavor up the peanut punch. I'm also putting in a few dashes of Angostura bitters, a must for Trini punch. And you just put in a teaspoon of the mixed essence also. I love the taste of essence, so I put a teaspoon. You could put less if you don't really like the taste. It's all up to you, it's your punch. And now I'm putting in some cinnamon. This is an organic cinnamon that I got from Costco. And I'm putting in a teaspoon of that. And then I have some grated nutmeg. You're going to put in a half a teaspoon of that. If you like more nutmeg, you can put more. And then I have a cup of raw peanuts here. I'm putting that in. That's going to give me the crunch that I didn't get from my nice crunchy peanut butter that I usually get. So I'm going to just blend all of this up and until it gets nice and smooth, and your peanut punch will be done. I mean, it is so easy, it is so simple. I had this for breakfast because I didn't feel like eating anything heavy for breakfast. I usually have like a punch or a smoothie or something, and you can add bananas to this, you could add oats to this. I usually do that. That is even tastier, like if you add other things to it. You could add flaxseed. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. This is my finished peanut punch. I just drizzled a little bit of the cinnamon and a little bit of the nutmeg at the top, and that's a little cinnamon stick that I put on a straw just to be fancy. And now I'm going to taste my peanut punch. It was so good. It wasn't too sweet because I don't like too much of sweet, and that's why I didn't put too much condensed milk. If you like your stuff sweet, put the whole can of condensed milk. You will thank me later because this is really good. I enjoy this. I got full after drinking it. I didn't need to eat anything until it was time for dinner, so I really enjoy this because I don't really eat lunch. So if you like my hat, I will leave the link for my Etsy store in the description. And guys, I am begging, if you're looking at this video right now, please subscribe and like and share with people that you know so that my channel can grow and that I can bring more and more recipes to more people and just some of our childhood memories growing up. Now, this is one thing that I did as a child. Just drain that whole cup until everything was gone. Just look at me. I just couldn't have enough. And then when we finish, if we think that we can't get everything out, we will just lick the glass. So guys, always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.